because a metric ton is 2,204 pounds.
That is correct. Wow, good one. So every so many miles, you have to have a straight mile because they would be able to land aircraft on there if we were ever invaded. He was really thinking ahead.
That and all the overpasses had to be high enough for trucks carrying tanks.
Exactamundo. So that's something you should know.
If you didn't know that, now you know. Basically, the interstate system was created so that we could mobilize our military quicker.
Didn't know you were going to learn this on a car thing.
Yeah,
but here you are. Go get him, buddy.
I'm ready, Freddie.
Hello, everybody. I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera, as always, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, take it away.
Oh, my Lord.
Hi everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, please let these people know everything.
Let me tell them some stuff. We're 15 minutes outside of St. Louis to the west in St. Charles, Missouri. I'm gonna put the phone number above Chris's head. Look, there it is. Remember, write it down. Call us about this 47 Ford or the other 150 or so cars we have at any given time. And also, like and subscribe, because 92% of you that come back and watch these videos are not subscribed. That doesn't make any sense. You're coming back anyway. You obviously like them. And I know that more of you out there are gonna like them, so hit the bell, because then you get notified when we make cool videos like this. But for now, Chris, tell us a little bit about this nice red 47 Ford.
It's a Super Deluxe 1947 Ford with a Chevy 350 in it. It's also got a TH350 3-speed automatic transmission. It is a beautiful red color, and I love the interior of this car.
Yeah,
Jake,
the dash,
it's beautiful.
It's nice. It's got chrome all over it. We actually have an RPM gauge.
Whoa.
Which is crazy. Very cool. It's kind of symmetrical, so the speedo's on the side in front of the driver, and then the RPM gauge is over in front of the passenger.
That's good, so you can tell us if anything's going wrong.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Isn't that neat?
It's a beautiful car. I love the color.
You got a nice big trunk. You just twist that thing to the right and then lift up on it. You can open the trunk. Oh, look at that.
Whoa.
Got some nice floor mats back there and a car cover.
Nice.
In case you need to keep this anywhere where you want to keep it covered.
Okay.
Nicely carpeted, of course. Massive trunk.
Massive.
Massive trunk for the 40s. Very nice.
Let's show them the inside.
Oh yeah, the inside, that's good stuff. I also love the white walls.
I do too, and I love the red wheels and the red Ford symbol, even though it's got a Chevy motor, we're gonna let it go.
I know, you got Ford on the dash there, all the chrome. We also have, what's that?
Cup holders.
No, above it, the AC.
Oh no, vintage air, fantastic. Love air conditioning, it's got power brakes and power steering.
Very
love
nice steering wheel, love the brown seats. Doors open and close nice. You wanna pop the hood for us?
Sure do.
Christopher?
Oh, it's got an I Like Ike bumper sticker. Isn't that great? And while I explain who Ike is to Jake, let's look at this beautiful, beautiful engine. We had it right here. There it is.
He found it, ladies and gentlemen.
Ooh. Ah, aluminum radiator.
Very nice. Yep, there's your 350 cubic inch small block Chevy with a TH350 transmission.
3 speeds.
To back it up, which means it's going to be reliable.
Yes.
It's kind of like the most produced engine and transmission platform ever.
It's a great combo, actually.
Yeah, it's very proven. You also got nice big chrome bumpers. The grille is chrome around the headlights, all the trims on the thing. The paint's in good condition, and I'm ready to hear it and drive it. What about you?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Can't wait to put the heat on.
Here's your mic, good sir.
Oh, thank you. Come on in.
Beautiful
RPMs.
Sky tonight.
Love it.
Here in St. Charles, Missouri.
Missouri.
Here's the cranky window.
They're not mad at you, though.
They're not mad at you. You just gotta crank them to put them up and down. We are off like a dirty shirt.
Yeah, you love that line. It's a wonderful line.
It's your line. I'm just borrowing it.
You can borrow it as much as you want. I don't own it.
Nice horn, by the way. Very good. I love the steering wheel.
Who doesn't? It's actually really cool.
Got the chrome spokes in the middle, and it's wood. Because, of course.
Why wouldn't it be?
Why wouldn't it be? Here we go.
Oh, it's a lot of car, ladies and gentlemen.
It is a lot of car. This is a large vehicle that is made out of metal.
Metal. The way they used to make it.
Nice American metal.
American steel, for the love of Pete.
There's the Ford symbol on your dash, on the glove box, I should say. Look at that.
Oh.
Nice glove box for storage. There's your RPM gauge right there over on the passenger side. Kind of mirrors the speedo over here, which is very cool, by the way. Got the
I love it.
The gold numbers in there, and then you also have all the gauges on that side for like your voltage, coolant temp, oil pressure, I guess, and fuel. Looks like over there. And then you got your AC controls down there on the bottom.
There you go. Here we are, climbing the hill.
And guess what each one of us has, Chris?
Tell me.
An ashtray.
Oh, I love it.
Up there on the dashboard, look at that.
If I want to take up smoking, but I don't think I should.
No, you shouldn't take up smoking, but here's a cigarette lighter in case you want to. But don't smoke, kids. Smoke tires, not cigarettes.
It's no bueno.
Yeah. This thing rides nice though.
It's very comfy.
It's pretty tame. We got highway gears in the back.
Yeah.
350 automatic, I mean, but these old hot rods, this one at least, just made for cruising around.
And who doesn't want to cruise in a beautiful car like this?
Right. Sounds good, looks good, you look good in it.
You look good in it. Ooh.
And we have one of the biggest hoods ever.
Oh, it's huge.
And it looks awesome, backed by that amazing sunset.
Oh, man.
And we have a big old chrome hood ornament on the front, which is very cool. Very nice. And we have real back seats.
Oh, those are real.
For real people. Yeah, you can actually fit adults in these back seats. They're actually pretty good. And you got the big oval back window back there as well, which is nice. Yeah, this dashboard is in great condition. I mean, look at it. You got the chrome there in the middle, chrome all the way down the sides of it. Very nice. You got the vents down there, of course.
The old vintage air.
The view out of this thing is just cool.
Yeah, you really can't. You can see everything.
Yes.
The nice thing is it's very windy. This car's not moving.
Yeah, the wind does not affect this car very much at all. Not that it's super aerodynamic.
It is not.
It just weighs a metric ton.
It's a pretty
Probably
big car.
2 metric tons.
I would imagine it's close. It's a nice driving car, though.
Because a metric ton is 2,204 pounds.
That is correct. Wow, good one.
Thank you.
Proud of you. School system's paying for something.
That's a pretty good horn. It's kind of an old-timey horn, which kind of fits the whole vibe of the inside.
I wish it'd be one of the I love those horns.
Those are a little older. That's more the 30s.
I love those horns.
But this is a 47, which is when they started making cars again after the war.
And I don't know if you've noticed, but on our pictures you'll see the bumper sticker that says "I like Ike."
I like Ike.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what
Dwight
that
D.
means.
Eisenhower.
Oh yeah, duh.
Yes, he was in charge of the entire eastern front going into Berlin, and then he became the president of the United States for 2 terms.
And he was also the guy that kind of headed the highway system,
Yes,
like the interstate system in the United States.
Yes, he was. Every so many miles, you have to have a straight mile because they would be able to land aircraft on there if we were ever invaded. He was really thinking ahead.
That and all the overpasses had to be high enough for trucks carrying tanks.
Exactamundo.
So
that's something you should know.
If you didn't know that, now you know. Basically, the interstate system was created so that we could mobilize our military quicker.
Didn't know you were going to learn this on a car thing.
Yeah,
but here you are.
But that's about when this car was around, 1947. Mm-hmm. I'm sure this thing drove through the 50s and stuff as a brand new 47 Ford. But now it's been revitalized.
I wonder if it was in Roswell in 1947.
I have no idea.
I don't see any aliens in here, so I guess we're okay.
Yeah. But yeah, I love the red color that they went for this.
Beautiful.
Looks like, I don't know when it was restored, but it's held up. It's held up pretty good. It still runs and drives really nice.
Better than this 87 Crown Vic in front of us. Holy cow. It's another Ford.
It is another Ford, but this one's got a big 350 Chevy. And we're about to do a bean test. Now this one's going to be pretty tame, but I'm comfy in this seat, so... Oh!
I'm too well. It's throwing you back in it now, isn't it?
It's not bad. It's pretty torquey.
He's moving. Moving and shaking.
Yeah, for a car that...
Ford just cut in front of me.
Yeah, that Ford Explorer just cut in front of us. But for as heavy as this big steel-bodied beast is, it's not bad.
It's not bad at all. Drives great.
Yeah, I like it a lot.
Oh, yeah.
This is cool.
It's very comfy.
And the visors don't droop. You know how much I hate droopy visors?
Lord. If that kid hates anything, he hates droopy visors.
Headliner's in good condition.
And non-dairy creamer. I don't know why.
Oh, goodness. I don't even know what that means.
Non-dairy creamer. It's that powdered stuff.
Oh, I know what it is.
It sets fire. Don't tell anyone.
Oh.
Oh, whoa.
Interesting. Yeah, the thing just kind of floats around like a cloud, doesn't it?
Yeah, the old flybys are going to be kind of, you know.
The seats are cushy. I could bounce on these.
They're very cushy.
The flybys are gonna be tame.
They are.
But we're gonna do them anyway, because we love you guys.
You guys want to see it. Everybody does.
Absolutely. Are you ready, Chris?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Ain't she a beaut? Sunset too. Nice. Here he comes, 47 Ford Super Deluxe with a 350. With a TH350 transmission, 3-speed automatic. Here we go. Go get him, buddy. Wow, he was going pretty fast.
Drop a microphone?
But I found the microphone, and that's the most important thing.
Well, you're not even holding your microphone up to your face hole.
Oh, my face hole. It's
There
called
you
a
go.
mouth, people.
This thing drives awesome.
It did. It sounded great passing by.
Yeah, it's peppier than you think, and with the power steering and power brakes, it kind of brings it into the modern era a little bit. Very easy to drive. You also got, I don't know if we really talked about it, cup holders down here.
We do have cup
We
holders.
do have cup holders in a little compartment where you're keeping your phone, which is awesome. And yeah, updated radio, an RPM gauge. This dash is awesome. I love the look of it. And yeah, this thing drives good. You ready to go? Are you ready to go back?
Yes, I am.
Let's do it.